Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Today, it's already 6:30 in the evening and today is December 25, 2023. So, Merry Christmas everyone. Merry Christmas to all my friends and the people who are living in the entire world. Living in the entire 7 continents. Kasi I have friends from North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, and Australia and Oceania. Last December 15, I received the Christmas gift from various people. And also last December 24. These are the Christmas gift that I received from them. This gift is from Francisco, one of my product specialist in beauty consumer. Then this one is the Christmas gift from Kisi Ryan Sayon from my product specialist assigned in Happily Philippines. And this cute Christmas gift was given to me from one of my fellow members in IBC Church. Thank you everyone. I really thank God for this Christmas gift, especially the people who give me this Christmas gift. Thank you everyone. God bless us all. A few minutes from now, I'm going to open this gift. Thank you guys. God bless us all.